definition. Three or more points in a line, then three or more points are said to be collinear points. If three or more points lie on a same line, then those points are said to be collinear points. Two or more points in a line, then they are said to be collinear points. Collinear points means if I take 3 points, all the 3 points A, B and C lie on a same line, therefore 3 points are collinear. If I take 2 points A, B and C is here, these 3 points are not collinear. If I am going to join AB, both the points lie on a one line, but the third point lie on another line. All the 3 points does not lie on a same line. If the 3 points lie on a same line, then the points are said to be collinear points. If the points does not lie on a same line, then they are not collinear. If the points are not collinear, then they will form a triangle. Then they will form a triangle. Note, A comma B comma C are collinear points. A comma B comma C are collinear points. When I am saying these three are collinear points, means these three lie on a one line. A, B, C. But I don't know whether the order of the points are this one or maybe this one or maybe this one. So A, B, C are collinear points if and only if distance of A to C, AC is equal to distance of AB plus BC. If in this case or distance of AB is equal to distance of AC plus CB, or in this case distance of CB is equal to distance of CA plus AB. If any one of the conditions satisfied, then directly we will say that A, B, C are the collinear points. Note, another note. This one is the first one. If A comma B comma C are not collinear, then they form a triangle. If the 3 points are not on a same line, means I can join 2 points on a one line and the third point will be on another, they will form a triangle. They will form a triangle. Two or more points in a line, then those points are said to be collinear points. If the 3 points on a same line, then distance A to C is equal to distance of AB plus BC. In this case, distance of AB is equal to AC plus CB. In this case, distance of CB is equal to distance of CA plus AB. We have wrote as a note. If these 3 points are not collinear, then they form a triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. The area of a triangle formed by 3 points. The area of a triangle formed by the points A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3 is the area of a triangle is denoted by delta ABC, which is equal to half modulus of what is the given triangle whose vertices are this one. This is a triangle. This is a point A, x1 y1, B x2 y2, C x3 y3. Now area of a triangle whose vertices are the points A, B, C is half modulus of x1 into y2 minus x2 into y1. Similarly with this one, x2 into y3 plus x2 into y3 minus x3 into y2 plus AB completed, BC completed. Now CA x3 y1 minus y3 x1. This is the formula for area of a triangle ABC, that is half modulus of x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y1 plus y3 x1. Or you can remember from this diagram also, area of a triangle ABC is equal to x1 y3 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2. These two completed, no, this two, plus x3 y1 minus y3 x1. The order should be maintained, a b b c c a. Okay. Instead of this one, you can also remember one more formula, or of, just write all the x coordinates, x1 x2 x3, all the x coordinates are completed. Now again write the only first one, x1. Similarly, y coordinates, y1 y2 y3, again y1. Now cross multiply, x1 y2 minus this one, x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y1 minus this one. Multiply this two minus multiply this two. Multiply this two minus multiply this two. Multiply this two minus multiply this two. This is the another formula, or of modulus of x1 minus x2, x2 minus x3. Similarly, y coordinates, y1 minus y2, y2 minus y3. These are the, all the three formulas are equivalent. All the three formulas are equivalent. You can use either this one or this one. All are same. Just multiply this two minus multiply this two. Either you can use this formula or this formula or this formula. Note, let A comma B, A, B, C forms a triangle. A, B, C. Let the points capital A, comma capital B and capital C forms a triangle, and let capital D, comma capital E and F are midpoints of A, B, C. Now let us take this one is a midpoint, D, E, F. ABC is a triangle. Let capital D is the midpoint of AB. Capital D is the midpoint of the line segment AB. Capital E is the midpoint of BC. And capital F is a midpoint of C, respectively. Then area of this triangle or this triangle or this triangle or this triangle, all this area of these four triangles is equal to 1/4 of area of a main triangle. Then area of triangles delta ADF, which is equal to delta DBE, which is equal to DFE, which is equal to delta FEC. All these four triangles, their areas will be equal, and this will be equal to 1/4 of area of triangle ABC. ABC. I am going to take a triangle ABC. Now I am going to take the midpoints of all the three sides. Midpoint of AB is D, midpoint of AC is F, midpoint of BC is E. Now we got four sub-triangles of the main triangle ABC, that is ADF, DBE, DFE and FEC. Now area of this triangle is equal to area of this triangle is equal to all these four triangles, their area will be equal, and that area is nothing but 1/4 part of area of the main triangle. Area of the main triangle. Area of in a triangle -1, -2, 6, 1, 3, 5 are the midpoints of its sides. Find the area of the triangle. Solution. Given points are D -1, -2, E 6, 1, F 3, 5. These are the given points, and those points are nothing but midpoints of the sides of the triangle. Let us take ABC is the triangle, then DEF are the midpoints of these sides. This is D, E, F. Now we have to find the area of a triangle ABC. Given that capital D, capital E, capital F are midpoints of the sides AB, BC, CA. respectively. Now area of triangle DEF is delta DEF, that is half modulus of, what is the formula? Already we have written a formula, that is x1, x2, x3, again x1, y1, y2, y3, y1, which is nothing but half modulus of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Now we have to substitute. Minus 1, 6, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 5, minus 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into modulus of minus 1 into 1 minus this one, minus 2 into 6, minus 2 into 6 plus, now this 2, 6 into 5 minus this 2, 1 into 3 plus, now this 2, 3 into minus 2 minus this 2, 5 into minus 1, which is equal to half modulus of minus 1, minus into minus plus 12 plus 30 minus 3 minus 6 plus 5, which is equal to half modulus of, first I am writing all the positive terms, 12 plus 30, 42, 42 plus 5, 47, minus, now negative terms, minus 1, minus 3, minus 6, minus 1, minus 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 6, minus 10, which is equal to half modulus of 37, which is equal, since 37 is positive, modulus of positive is always positive. Since 37 is greater than 0. This implies 37 by 2. Directly you can write the answer here, or you can write 18.5 square units. This is the area of the triangle DEF. But the question is area of a triangle ABC. Now, this is the triangle ABC and this is the triangle DEF. We got area of this triangle, but the question is what is the area of ABC? Just now we have discussed the area of a triangle ABC is nothing but 4 times 1 by 4th triangle, area of a triangle DEF is nothing but 1 by 4th times of ABC. Since area of a triangle DEF is equal to 1 by 4th time of area of a triangle ABC. just now we have discussed. Then just now we got this one as, instead of writing 18.5 I am going to write 37 by 2 is equal to 1 by 4 into area of a triangle ABC. 2 ones are 2 twos are 37 into 2 is 74 is equal to, therefore area of the triangle ABC is 74 square units. Now area of quadrilateral. Area of the quadrilateral. The area of the quadrilateral, the area of the quadrilateral formed by the points A of x1 comma y1, B of x2 comma y2, C of x3 comma y3, D of x4 comma y4. x4 comma y4 is now similarly how we have wrote in the area of a triangle, the same thing we can write here, is half modulus of x1 into y2 minus x2 into y plus x2 into y3 minus x3 into y2 plus x3 into y4 minus x4 into y3 plus AB, BC, CD completed. Now DA, x4 into y1 minus x1 y4 into x1 x4 into y1, next x1 into y4. This is the area of a quadrilateral. Instead of this one you can use this one also, as we have discussed in the area of a triangle formula, that is half modulus of, write down first all the x coordinates, x1, x2, x3, x4, again the first coordinate x1. Similarly y coordinates, y1, y2, y3, y4, y1. Now cross multiply x1 into y2 minus y1 into x2, x2 into y3 minus y2 into x3, x3 into y4 minus x4 into y3, x4 into y1 minus x1 into y1. by 4. Same thing, or half modulus of x1 minus x3 x2 minus x4. Same thing with y coordinates, y1 minus y3 y2 minus y4. Again cross multiply this one into this one minus this one into this one. Now this is the area of a quadrilateral formula. If we have 3 points which are going to form a quadrilateral, then area of a quadrilateral we can use this one or this one or this one. All are same, all are equivalent to one another. We got this one, we can get this one from this one, we can get this one from this one as well as this one. Just to cross multiply, we will get few terms get cancelled and we will get the same thing again. This formula we can, instead of quadrilateral, we can move further for the polygonal. If you want to find the area of a polygonal, we can easily find using this formula. Convenient for me, the convenient formula is this one. Mostly I am going to use this formula, which is very easy to remember. Just half modulus of, write down all the x coordinate, x1, x2, x3, x4, again the first coordinate, y1, y2, cross multiply and get the answer.